Hi, I'm Grant from Artichoke. We're going to do a simple XO prawn dish for you for on the back of the boat on a Sunday. Enjoy. Canola oil to start off with just on the base. For our XO prawn dish for on the back of the boat, nice and easy. We just add a little bit of the XO sauce to the prawns. Fold them around through. Place them on the bottom of the plate. Nice and easy, 4 little prawns. And then the remainder of the sauce we will place over the salad, which is simply a little bit of micro herbs, coriander, Thai basil with XO sauce on top. Then we'll top it off with a little bit of chili hair. Chorizo sausage with Mount Tambourine goat's cheese and panko crumb. And then we'll do a little bit of hydrated black pudding to finish off with. There we have Sunday's XO prawns on the back of the boat. Enjoy.